It is March 23rd, 2016, and this is our blizzard. White out. And as snowboarders call it, it's a powder day. So let's see. Most of the schools are closed today for a snow day. My work got closed for a snow day as well. I love Pinnacle. This is really the best company I have ever worked for. They treat safety seriously. So they didn't want anyone to work today. They turned people around. What else? All the flights coming into Denver are held. We're not taking any flights today. And I just had to go outside, get outside to see what really is going on today. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. I love it. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear this wind. So the wind what makes it a blizzard apparently. So it's at least 35 miles per hour. And we're expecting about 7 inches of snow today or more. I am right now sitting in the snow because I am wearing my snowboarding pants and just, you know, pretending that I may be in the mountains. Well, oh well, stupid broken leg. Next year is gonna be better. I just think it's really crazy how weather in Colorado is totally bipolar. No offense to any people, anyone suffering from a bipolar disorder. So we had summer yesterday. I was wearing short sleeves and a summer skirt when I went outside to practice walking in my boot. And I was sweating pretty much. Today it's probably about 37 or less degrees and we have tons of snow. It's just beautiful. So this is my window and I have my bed by the window. That means that when I wake up I can look at this area right here. It's really nice. Look at this tree, so much snow. This is great. I really wish, my only wish right now would be to be in the mountains and snowboarding a little bit or a lot. I'll take anything at this point. Well, I guess I just love Colorado. I'm so grateful I'm here right now.